Well, welcome back into the studio for a little unboxing. Well, I got in 2 parts of my Amazon order, so I'm still waiting on something else, and I'll share that with you once it comes in. But I did get myself a crocodile. I have the eyelet setter hole punch crocodile, but I wanted the corner rounder crocodile, and this does 2 settings. It has the 1/2 inch corner and the 1/2 inch corner and the 1/4 inch corner. So here's the 1/2 inch and here's the 1/4 inch. So I got that. And then also, I really love these Pentel color brushes. They have, you can get them with different colors in them, and I have one in black. I believe it's black, but I don't know where it's at. Obviously it's not out here, but I wanted to get one in the sepia, so I got one of those. And I have been wanting to play a little bit with the wax seal in my art, doing some wax sealing in my art. So the things I'm missing is the wax seal itself, the spoon, the little furnace, and so that should be coming up my next Amazon. Well, it was part of this order, it's just coming in 2 separate parts. So this is a nice variety of colors. So anyways, that's what I've gotten so far of my Amazon order, and I will share the rest of it with you when it comes in, and I'll learn how to do this. All right, so I've gotten in the last 2 items that I had ordered from Amazon. And this is the burner for my wax. And then this is a head for a seal head. And hopefully in here is a handle. So this is a little bee. And then hopefully this is, oh yeah, I forgot this too. So the last few items of this came in. Oh, it matches, that's good. And then a handle. And this head, dragonfly. And hopefully this will fit on there. It does, but I thought these were different sizes, but they're the same size. So anyhow, that was the last little bit that was due to arrive, and now I can use it. All right, now that we've done the unboxing, I'm just gonna also share with you, because I figured it's a good time, is I did go to Dollar Tree and found a whole bunch of things, and I thought I would share it with you as well. So the first thing is I found these self-adhesive wall tiles that has this texture, and my thought was, I got 2 of them. I'm going to use one on my jelly plate and see how it works out as a texture plate. And the other I thought I'd cut up and use on pages. Now it is plastic, so I would have to put gesso over it to get anything like color or anything to adhere to it. But I thought, oh, that might be a fun thing to try out. So I did get that. I got some mini trees, and my thought is I could make these into Christmas ornaments. We'll see if that happens. I got some more of these containers. I use those a lot. I thought I'd try this silicone facial mask applicator. My thought was maybe it would create some interesting texture on a gel plate or with paint. But it does have this scalloped end to it. If I can get it out. There we go. It does have a scalloped end to it. So, but it is very much silicone. It's got a lot of squiggle to it. It might work really interesting on a gel plate. So I thought I'd play with that and see. There was also a piercing and scoring tool that I thought I could put in my, put one here on my desk and one in my bookmaking tote and see how that worked. I found these little bottles as well with little corks in them. They're glass. Thought that would be fun. And I found, I don't like the color, but this is really interesting. Let me show you. This is mesh ribbon, and it has like a texture to it. These bumpies, but I can't find the end, of course. That's interesting. But it has, I think it's right in here somewhere. Huh. It has this raised texture to it. I don't know if you can see that. And I thought that might be interesting. Oop, there it is. To get texture out of. It definitely, you can see how it's raised up. I thought that would be really interesting to play with on the surface of paper. So I got some of that. That is, just says ribbon. I'm always using composition books, and I saw these cute little minis and of course had to get them. And then I needed, for some wax melting, I needed some tea candles. So I thought, oh, they had these great scents. Why not make it, you know, a scented experience when I try out my wax seals. So I got some harvest cider and some pumpkin chai tea lights. So yeah, so that concludes this little unboxing shopping spree, so to speak. Most of it online, of course, but wanted to share that with you. I hope you've enjoyed. This is a little something different for me, but I thought I'd put it out there. If you like these kinds of videos, just give me a comment. Let me know that you want to see more of these, because I do a lot of this.